who will sing Payphone by Khalifa.
I'm on a payphone trying to board home. All of my change I spent on you. But half the time's gone and it's so wrong. Well, the plans we made for two. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it. But is it too late to try? I didn't have time that you wasted all over bridges. Turns out I wasted my nights. You turned down the lights. Now I'm paralyzed. Still stuck in that time when we boarded the boat. Even the sun set in paradise. I'm out of payphone trying to board home. All of my change I spent on you. Well, half the time I'm at it all wrong. Well, the plans we made not to. If happy ever after still exists, I would still be holding you like this. Those fairy tales are full of them. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Turn your back on tomorrow, cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love tomorrow, you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all over bridges. Turns out I wasted my nights. You turned down the lights. Now I'm paralyzed. Still stuck in that time when we got it low. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm on a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone that it's all wrong? Well, the plans we made for two. If happy ever after still exists, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of them. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. I'm on a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. But half the time's gone back into wrong. Well, all the plans we made for two.
Thank you so much, Amiel, Austin, Arcilla.